Md Kamruzzaman is a journalist joining me from Dhaka in Bangladesh. Subir Bhaumik, a senior journalist and author, also joins us. Mr. Kamruzzaman, here is Sheikh Hasina, who is clear that this is a kangaroo court which actually came up with this verdict. It doesn't really have the legal standing or legal wherewithal to pass a judgment of this nature against her.
Thank you for having me. Actually, I, as a journalist, want to say what I have seen here, and I followed the trial process of this International Crimes Tribunal, even during the tenure of Sheikh Hasina, when there was trial for crimes against humanity in 1971. However, regarding this trial, what I saw is that the International Crimes Tribunal hearing was held and many documents were submitted before the court for judgment. And even in those documents, there were video clippings of torturing and killing during the July mass uprising last year. And even there were some audio clips where Sheikh Hasina was heard to instruct for killing the protesters. And according to the claim of the prosecution, those audio clips were verified and were examined through professional means. Even some international media also verified some audio clips. And finally, those audio clips have been proved as the audio clip of Sheikh Hasina. If those audio clips are true, in that case, Sheikh Hasina clearly instructed to kill the protesters. So that has been proved here in the court. And even today, during the reading of the verdict, more than 2 hours it took to read the key parts of the verdict. And there the judge read out those mostly quote and unquote, where we heard that Sheikh Hasina sometimes talked with a cabinet member like Hasanul, even like Obaidul, former communication minister, and even Dhaka city South Mayor Fazlur Tapur. So there are so many audio clips, and in this tribunal also the visuals, even through some YouTube channels, those which were published. So everything, visuals, audio, and newspaper, even international media reports, everything was produced. And today, some people who were injured during the last year's mass uprising, some lost their legs, some eyes, they also came here. And the relatives of martyrs also came here. So it's really very strong that Sheikh Hasina instructed to kill the protesters during the last year's mass uprising.
Okay, Subir Bhaumik, your thoughts on what's happening in Bangladesh?
Well, I'm not willing to get into, commenting on the process of the trial for the very simple reason that, I was not there. And unlike Kamruzzaman, I've not covered the trial. But 3 things are very clear. This is an in absentia trial where Awami League could not put up their own lawyers. This is number 1.
That's right.
Number two, the lawyer who was assigned as the defense counsel, he had to contend with it, and he was not only representing Sheikh Hasina, he was also representing Mr. Kamal. The defense of the 2 ministers could be widely different. You cannot assume that they will be the same. This is number 2. And this is not me saying, but people in Bangladesh are saying this. Number 3, very important, he didn't produce a single defense witness. You see, all these edited clips that Kamruzzaman is talking about, today even BBC is on the docks when they have produced some clips of Mr. Trump, which were clearly spliced together with the modern technology and AI. You can splice together clips and clearly use your voice out of context or what you're saying out of context. This is number 3. Number 4, there was clearly an agitation which was turning violent. Today, with this new agitation by the Awami League now, orders have been given to shoot at sight. So what wrong did Sheikh Hasina do? I mean, any government which is challenged with sustained street protests which tend to turn violent would do the same thing that Sheikh Hasina did, use law and order in a strong way. At the moment, also, the government, the Dhaka Metropolitan Police Commissioner has said that should kill anybody find in violence. So any government would do that kind of a thing. You see, when there is a serious threat to public order.
All right.
And number 5.
Thank you for joining us. We have really come to the end of this discussion, Subir and Mr. Kamruzzaman.